So this is the Intervac system that's in the Rpod. And what's cool about it is you can hook a hose to it, or you can use this kick plate right here. So this is the kick plate. You just sweep everything to there, and then, you know, it just sucks into the bag. Or you can hook a hose, which I do have a hose. So you hook a hose right here and turn it on, and same thing. Then it will suck through the hose for you. And so I'll attach the hose in a minute, but basically you just close it, then you're good. If you want to change the bag, you actually just pull the front off. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out because this is a new bag, but super easy to clean and to pop back on. I say it's easy to pop back on. It is, but I'm just 6 months pregnant and can't do anything right now. So, actually, I am gonna pull the dust bag out. This one's, it's about half full. The bag is a Y11. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it on Walmart.com. Okay, so I have my new bags here. I got a 5-pack, so, and they last actually a pretty long time. There's a filter as part of this. So you actually take this old filter out, you take the new filter, pop it in, and then this goes on the inside of the chamber, inside the vacuum. So I'm gonna actually get down on my hands and knees, which is hilarious because I'm 6 months pregnant doing this. But I'm gonna try to get a better view of inside of this. So I'm just gonna pop this onto the back of the pipe back here. I promise it's easier if you're not trying to stay out of the way of the camera. And then this part is gonna go on the front pipe here. So I'm just gonna lock that in place, maybe. Again, it's easier if I'm not 6 months pregnant and not trying to film it. Okay, so it's in place. I'm gonna put this left side in, pop it in. And then this right side, you kind of just like have to pop this in as well by moving that. And now I've changed the bag, I've changed the filter, and I'm ready to go again. Okay, this is my Intervac kit. We purchased it on Amazon. You can get it on their website. I'm sure you can find it elsewhere. But it came in this blue mesh bag, has directions. It came with an extra bag, which I actually just noticed right now. We've had this for like 3 years. So this is what came inside of it. This is the banded hose. You do need the banded version. They have a different version that's not banded. So remember, banded hose. And I'll put the link below so you can see exactly which one works with the Rpod. But this is what it came with, these pieces. So this is actually kind of the part that on the hose that you connect everything to. This is how you turn it on and off. This is the longer stick, I guess, extension. Then it comes with the actual kind of like typical vacuum cleaner attachment where you can do floors or carpet. Then it has the crevice one, and then 2 brushes. I actually use this brush quite a bit because we have a carpet and it helps get the hair out as well. This one's good for like corners, the bathroom, things like that. I actually don't use it that much, but I have used it. So this is what comes with the kit, and then I'll show you how it hooks up. I am going to do this while using my other hand to hold the camera, so this is going to get interesting. But essentially what you do is just move this over, and now you just click the hose right in there. And that's it. Really easy to set up. I'll put the attachments on. Again, doing this one-handed, but I'm going to use this attachment to get into my crevices. I literally just put it on like this. I'm going to twist it because that's the worst angle that I have it at. And then make sure that's plugged, and then I'm going to just actually use my finger here to turn it on. And now I can use it. So I'm going to suck stuff up out of the crevices. So now I've brought my carpet back in, and I'm going to use the brush attachment to kind of get everything out of the carpet as best as I can. And here I go. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to take the regular vacuum. I'm not even going to put the extension on. I'm just going to put this piece on and kind of just vacuum over the floor as best I can, because I got most of the hair up, but there's still a little bit on here. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Love that I'm on my hands and knees, but feeling good about it. I'm going to take it apart and put it all away now. So this is what the bag looks like when it's all packed up, and I just throw it in our undercarriage storage and don't worry about it because I only take it out like once a week.